Hello everyone and welcome to another video where I'm going to teach you how to verify in Roblox on Rover Discord. Well, this is very simple. The first thing you have to do is to go to rover.link and press add Rover now. Okay, so you press it, press login with Discord and wait a few seconds to the Discord pop up. So then you hear press OK, wait a few seconds, and now you are logging in into rover.link. Okay, so you select the server you want to manage. In my case is this, and you wait a few seconds. You will be brought to an authorization screen. You accept everyone, and then you will be asked to link to Roblox. So how do we do that? You press here in verification, then you select this, press continue, login with Roblox, and you will be brought to Roblox again. You press continue, wait 3 seconds, and then you press confirm. So that easy was to verify with Rover in Discord and Roblox. So if you want another tutorial about this, please ask me in the comments. So subscribe, like, share, and press the bell. Goodbye, easy way.